My name's Jaron Lindsay, and I'm the mechanical instructor for the Industrial Maintenance Technology program and the Advanced Automation and Robotics as well. Where both of the programs are self-paced programs. We have students that are full-time, we have students that are part-time. We also run apprenticeship programs through here.
Where do students typically go once they graduate?
Basically all local industry knows about our programs. Some of the people that hire most of our students are places like Silgan Container, Pinnacle Foods, Iowa Fertilizer, Paper Pack in Fort Madison. There's just a lot of local industry that try to hire our students and put input into what they want us to teach our students. We have students that are still in high school, and we have students that are in their 50s. So it's wide-ranging, different levels of experience coming in here.
All right. Well, thank you so much for letting us take a tour, and we'll see you again soon, I'm sure.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.